Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for a little unboxing of some CRASPIRE wax seal supplies. Vicky from CRASPIRE had reached out to me and wanted to see if I wanted to sample a few of their wax seals. So I picked 3 of them. Let's have a look and see what they are. I think I have 3 if that's what I remember right. Let's see here. I do, yes. So let's look at the first one. So this one is a wax seal set. It comes with the beads, the spoon, the actual stamp, and some candles. So we have that. And let's see what color, how it looks in person. So Vicky's also been kind enough to include a special code for you guys to use if you decide to check out their website and shop. So I'll put that code up here and also down in the description box. So this wax seal set includes a wooden spoon. That's always nice to have an extra one. I have several ones because if you are working with different colors, it's kind of a lot of work when you have to clean the spoon off and then start over. So it's always nice to have that. And I picked my favorite color, teal. This is really pretty. I love that this one has almost like a pearlescent finish to the seals or the beads. And then let's see, I don't remember what this one was. Let me have a look here. Oh yes, it's the Celestial Whale. I thought this was really cute, so I picked this one. And I'll put a picture right above here to give you a better look at what this wax seal looks like. It has a wooden handle. They also have several different choices for the handles if you prefer a different finish. And so I'll put that photo up here too, or you can also explore their website, and I'll have all that linked down below. So the other 2 are wax seal heads, and that's what's so fun. It's because you don't have to pay, for example, $9.99 for one full set if you already have several of these handles. They're interchangeable, and here's the one I picked. It's a square wax seal, and has, I love this, it has the stamp borders and it has lavender flowers on it. So this will be perfect for Happy Mail and other journaling projects that you might have. And the third one that I picked is an oval wax seal stamped head, and this one has a cameo design on it. It's so pretty. Again, I'll insert the picture above there, and so you can get a better look. So I'm excited to play around with these and see how they work and if they work well, and I'll be sharing that in a separate video. Now the wonderful thing about these wax seal stamp heads is that they're interchangeable, so you can have the standard little wax handle here and you can easily replace them with the heads, which is cool. So then you can work and stamp and use, you know, all your other wax seal stamp heads on there. So really cool. Let's see if this one fits just to be sure. And yes, it does. So that's really awesome. So I'm really excited to share some fun ideas on how to use your wax seals in various crafting and journaling projects. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little unboxing of these wax seal stamp supplies from CRASPIRE. So make sure to check out their link down below, and I'll also have that discount code. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.